Building a professional website used to mean choosing a template, spending hours customizing it, fixing layouts, changing colors, replacing images, and still somehow ending up with something that looked, well, like a template. But what if you could start with a professionally designed website that's already built for your industry and simply make it your own? That's exactly what I wanted to test with Templays. Now, instead of starting from a blank canvas completely, it gives you complete website templates that are ready to customize, helping you launch a polished website much faster. Now, for this demo, I'm going to be building a website using one of their templates and see how quickly it can go from a professionally designed concept to something that actually feels like a real business website. Now, right away, what stands out is the quality of the templates themselves. These aren't just simple landing pages. They're complete websites with multiple pages, modern layouts, responsive design, and sections that are already organized in a way that makes sense. Whether you're creating a portfolio, agency website, SaaS landing page, startup site, or a business homepage, you are starting with a strong foundation instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. And for this example, I'm using one of the website templates available on Templays. After opening it, the customization process is incredibly straightforward. I can replace the branding, update the text, swap the images, adjust the colors, and make the site match my own business without having to redesign the entire layout. Instead of worrying about spacing, typography, or page structure, I can focus on the content itself, which is usually what takes the most time when launching a website. What I also like specifically is that because the structure is already professionally designed, every change immediately feels cohesive. As I move through the homepage, update the service section, replace the hero images, and personalize the call to action areas, the website continues to maintain a consistent visual style. That's something that's surprisingly difficult to achieve when you're starting completely from scratch. Another advantage is how much time this saves during the early stages of a project. Whether you're a freelancer building client websites, a startup launching a new product, or a business owner creating your own online presence, having a library of professionally designed templates means that you can spend less time designing and more time actually launching. Instead of asking, how should this page look? You're asking, how do I make this represent my brand? The templates also make it easy to visualize the finished product before you've even written every piece of content. You already have a complete website structure right in front of you, so filling in the details becomes a much more natural process. As I continue customizing the template, the site starts feeling less like a demo and more like a project that's ready to publish. After spending some time with Templays, I think that's really the biggest advantage. It doesn't try to replace creativity. It removes a lot of the repetitive work that usually comes before creativity. You still make the website your own, but you don't have to build every single section, layout, and page from the ground up. So, if you're looking for a faster way to build professional websites without sacrificing quality, Templays is definitely worth checking out. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description below so that you can browse the template library for yourself and see which one fits your next project. And make sure to let me know down below which one was your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next breakdown.